Today's our analysis pair is EURCAD from daily chart. Now we are finding our analysis. Next day, where our market will go and what is our need to do. First, we are making a trend line here. This is a trend line. Another proven trend line is here. Long-term trend line is down. Short-term trend line is up. This is the 200 EMA. 200 EMA is over the market price, and market is below the 200 EMA. So we can say that for long term market is downtrend. From this downtrend, our expectation is only to make a sell position. So from this channel, this trend line is act as a resistance level. This is a good horizontal resistance area. It also a good line of resistance area, and this is the candle, which candle is already start to break the trend line. So it's the good opportunity to make a sell from here. Tomorrow from here we can make a sell. Now we are going to our H4 chart for more analysis. It's the H4 chart. From this H4 chart, again we are making a trend line here. Market already back down. This is a wedges, downward wedges. From this wedges, market already break down. So our expectation, market maximum can go here, and from here market again come back here. So it is our good decision to make sell from here, because this is the horizontal support resistance area. This it also a horizontal resistance. It also a horizontal support. So we can wait for sell from here. It is our selling area. And this analysis for tomorrow, and to the buy. Next time again, see you.